Well, tonight, nearly 2 weeks after Hurricane Ian made landfall on Florida's southwest coast, thousands of desperate residents are still waiting for help. CBS's Manuel Bojorquez reports tonight on why it's going to be so expensive to rebuild.
Over the weekend, residents were allowed to return to Fort Myers Beach as the complicated process of figuring out what insurance might cover begins.
I don't really think a lot of this is covered, and that's like our biggest concern and fear.
We met Robbie Podgarski in Fort Myers days after the hurricane hit as he assessed damage to the Green Cup Cafe, which he owns with his girlfriend.
The waves splashed around the counters and onto some of the other equipment.
Like so many here, they had insurance for wind damage, but not flood damage. We caught up with him today.
Neither me nor my landlord nor a majority of the homeowners in my community had flood insurance. Since we're in a historic building in technically a FEMA flood zone, our insurance would be more than our mortgage or our rent.
Only 18% of Florida homes have flood insurance, and homeowners here already pay the highest premiums, nearly 3 times the national average for property insurance.
Florida was in crisis 2 years ago. It's in collapse now.
Florida State Senator Jeff Brandes says one problem is a whopping 80% of property insurance lawsuits come from Florida, despite only representing 8% of the nation's insurance claims, driving insurers out or into bankruptcy.
The trial attorneys are making billions of dollars in Florida by suing property insurers. And so they're heavily lobbying the legislature to just do nothing for another year. And so to continue to kick the can down the road, unfortunately in Florida, we're out of road.
He says on top of recent insurance rate hikes, some homeowners across the state could see increases anywhere from 20 to 40% after Ian. The state says insurance companies have already paid more than $207 million in claims related to the storm. Nora?
Wow. Manny Bojorquez, thank you so much.